Hi, I'm Mike Kelton. Today we're going to be talking about a 2008 Dodge Charger key fob. If you have one key fob left and you're trying to program another key fob, you're not going to be able to do it. The only way you can program a key fob by yourself without taking it to a dealership is if you have two working key fobs. I know I've looked on YouTube and basically that's really hard to find out for some reason. So if you have two working key fobs, you're able to program a third one. I had this one. This was the one that I had to get replaced. It's falling apart. Went to the dealership and it took them about an hour to program this one. And then I got a cheap online Walmart one that was 20 bucks. And I just programmed it. And you know how easy it was? It was super easy. So I hope that clears some things up. And while you're here, if you want to know how to program that third one, it's easy. You just stick in the original one that you're trying to replace. Hopefully it still works. You turn your car on kind of halfway, like this. I don't know if like this. You just, no, you don't turn it on all the way. Sorry. You just kind of put it in there, turn it halfway, like that. And you do that for 10 seconds. And you take out that key, you put it in your second key. You do that for 10 seconds, and then your alarm light will go off right here, telling you when you can put in your third key, like right there. And then after that, your third key will go in, and then you turn that halfway, and then you wait about 10 seconds, and then that light went off, and then that's it. That's how you program that extra cheap key. Now all my doors work. This is the cheap one I just bought at Walmart online. See, the windows, the locks work, the trunk works. So hope that helps a little bit.